And as we promised, we're back, but this time, please hang in there because, this is from the very inception of GSF when it began, Gaurav. It was just an idea that Rajesh used to talk about. We've all been part of it. And we've seen how things have grown and how things have changed and how the number of people in the room has increased over a period of time. It's just, it's just really, from the very first
one. It's decreasing right now. Come back! Where are you going?
Those 3 or 4.
Seal the doors!
Yeah, that was the idea. I told Bridge to do this. Bridge!
Bridge!
Where's Bridge?
Where is Bridge?
Bridge, don't leave. This time, Bridge, you can't leave.
Bridge,
okay? We need Bridge there.
Lock kar do darwaze. Bahar se. So, how's everybody feeling? Good? It's been a long day, hasn't it? It's been a long day. You all, of course, are all hardworking, intelligent, serious people. Educated, learned, moneyed. I'm none of those. I've been feeling very inadequate since the morning. I have nothing to sell. I have nothing to sell. I have this watch, if anyone would like to buy it. I have 2 kidneys, I could give 1. Mr. Murthy, would you like a kidney? Kidney, maybe, perhaps. I have my dear friend Roshan, fine specimen of youth. He is very talented, multi-talented, multifaceted. He has sold companies, he's a serial investor. He's also lost 14 kilos in the last 3 months. Look, do a 12, do a 12, 12. Yes, yes, very nice, very nice. I also have my dear friend Ankur Tiwari here, a very talented musician. He's also up for sale. Accessories that you see are not part of standard equipment. You have to pay extra for them. What is that? No, that accessory is free. Does it make a noise? What is it? Bird caller, right? Okay, so
we need you guys to have some fun, please. Okay, please forget for a little while about companies, valuations, exits, entries, all of these things. Have some fun. Everybody, first get your hands up in the air. Get your hands up in the air, everybody. Yeah. Okay, I wanted to do
an auction. Put it in.
I wanted to put your arms on the person next to you's shoulder. On the person next to you, everybody.
Now tickle them.
Come on, ladies. Ladies, be progressive. This is Bangalore.
Tickle them.
Men are putting their arms on men.
Tickle them.
All right, everybody, yeah. Yeah, that's Vishal's.
Now we do Russian dance.
And what you need to do quickly is, we're going to transport you to Bangkok in 5 seconds. Please give everybody a nice rub. Come on, do it now, do it now. They need it.
Oh.
Right now. Everybody, come on.
20 baht for you.
Yeah.
20 baht, I make special price.
20 baht.
No money, no money. As you can tell, the most experienced Bangkok campaigner, Mr. Murthy, in the room.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
We need your support in this one. We're just going to take 10 minutes of your time, and it's important. I don't know how many of you have seen a show called Whose Line Is It Anyway? You have? Say it loud. You have?
Okay, so what we've done is, we've got some stuff which we've been thinking about, because after our last performance, Rajesh came up to us and said, I said something entertaining. Okay. We've got something planned for the next one, and then we went to the back room and tried to organize something. But we also need your help. So we'll need a few of your inputs from time to time. And also, we're only asking you for inputs. People have asked you for money from the morning. Inputs are free. Okay? So give as many as you can.
Yeah, and there's only one lady who Rajesh will listen to. So ma'am, can you please message him and ask him to get back into the room?
सर मर्ज हो रहे थे
मर्ज
उनकी शर्ट और टेबल का कलर और पैसे का कलर सब सेम.
You know, I must tell you, the one biggest reason for Rajesh's success is the lovely lady who's sitting back there. Can we have a big round of applause for? Please, ma'am, अब खड़ा होना पड़ेगा आपको. At least, please for us. There she is. Please, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I've enjoyed many meals because I've always invited myself over. And Rajesh is like, "Nee, khana kha ke ja." Let me chat.
So what we're going to do is, Ankur is going to play a couple of tunes. He's going to play a tune. Hopefully it'll be an original. We always hope that. It's been 10 years, but we're still waiting. And
that's one we know. Yep. You can go. You need to slower?
I know this tune. Hang on. You're a bloody con. जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था बड़ी शरारत करता था मेरी चोरी पकड़ी जाती जब रोशन होता अब्बास.
नहीं बोली था. You all remember this tune from your childhood? Yeah.
Of course,
the famous Bajaj.
There are only old people in this room. Everyone remembers this tune.
we made our own GSF version of this tune.
So कैसे लोग हैं यहाँ पे? There are
VCs. There is GSF itself as the forum.
Okay.
There are startups.
Okay.
ये सब है यहाँ पे.
VCs पे कुछ अगली
Start
line
करें?
VCs पे आ जाओ.
GSF की कहानी थी, VCs की जवानी थी, सब में इन्वेस्ट करते जाते और एग्जिट पे लड़ते मराते. Please, everybody put your hands together. We need your hands.
And also there are people from startups here जो कर की ठोकरें खाते हैं. पैसे दे दो, पैसे दे दो, पैसे दे दो. लाइफ बना दो, लाइफ बना दो. और उनका पेन कोई नहीं समझता. रोशन, उनका पेन कोई नहीं समझता.
बिल्कुल, तो आप समझाइए.
ओके. पिच कर के बूढ़ा हूँ, ऑफिस में ही पीता हूँ, वेटिंग फॉर एन इंक्यूबेटर. But the VC says, call me later.
Okay, that's a good beginning. I must tell you, you guys have to clap in rhythm. I mean, you threw us off. The clap was like all over the place. Yeah, so we're going to get Nish to do this with us. Everybody's going to help us along with this. This is the proper. Please join with when this tune starts. And here we go. Yeah.
But first, we should, Roshan, one second, before you start, I want to take some inputs from the
please.
audience. So, everybody just throw up a few names of people who are here. Just throw any names, think. Okay, any more names? More? That's it. Rajesh Sani, okay, we've
Sani.
got that. But that has to be there, of course, sir. Anybody else?
Sponsors. We've got lots of sponsors at the back. You can read them all.
Sponsors, Karta, Dharta, Annadata. Britain, business is great. The pound is the correctly named currency because that's what it's doing to the rupee, pounding it. I tweeted this morning that the pound is reached somewhere where Chetan Chauhan never could, 100. Yeah, so you can see that everybody here is really old. They know Chetan Chauhan, they know Roshan Ota Bajaj.
हाँ जी, they do.
Okay, anything else? Anyone else? Any names?
I want to do something on bridge for sure.
Bridge.
Okay, bridge is there. Bridge over troubled waters. That's what he is.
Since
सारे problem bridge की तरफ.
done and
Rajesh, Sony.
Mahesh
Look at,
Murthy.
you know, why is Rajesh the head of GSF? It's very simple. Look at the surname. Sony, what does it rhyme with?
money,
Moni,
honey,
honey,
funny.
so सब कुछ वहाँ पर है. So
Okay, that's
you
good.
get
That's
all
a
those
good
clues. Here we go. Okay, Rajesh, this is all in good humor. Everybody, please don't kill us after this. Huh? I swear.
Okay, let's go. Our friend Rajesh Sani ने बनाई ये कहानी, set up for fun, but himself put up none. It would be nice, dear Mr. Sani, if we could see a penny or two of your own money.
No, but Rajesh spends a lot, okay? Everybody, come on.
Who else? Who's next? Who's next?
The forum itself. We're all right here at the Global Super Angels Forum. Pitch them, talk them, tell them, eat them. Please don't bore them. We know you are looking for a little bootstrapping. So get on stage, put on a smile, even if you're crapping.
Sponsors? The pound? I did? Okay, I got one. Let's do one on British. I remember a time when the pound was 50. I used to go to London and feel rather thrifty. But now don't you fall for their juicy bait. Even if they tell you Britain business is great.
Wow, absolutely, yeah. But they just had a baby there, right?
The royal baby.
The royal baby.
I had nothing to do with it. I denied. No comments.
So, ladies and gentlemen, moving along, We've got lots of people here. There was Anupam. Anupam kahan hai? Is he here? Is he still here? Not here?
Probably having a meeting somewhere.
Arey, chalo, but anyway, you know, so we got Mr. Murthy here.
No, Mr. Murthy. One for, okay, I got Mr. Okay, go, let's go. Our dear friend Mahesh is sitting up front. You can go to Facebook to hear him moan and grunt. He is not a fan of daylight robbery. That's why his best friend is Arindam Chaudhary. Sing with me. Arindam, Arindam, Arindam. He's my best friend in the world. His name is Arindam Chaudhary.
And he's committing daylight robbery, as we say. Yeah. Because we thought this is the kind of forum to talk about things like this. You know, bridge is there.
Bridge में sir.
आज आप form में.
Okay, good. Okay. He is a bridge over troubled waters, sitting backstage, drinking his quarters. Oh dear bridge, will you come and sort us? 'Cause we've been here all day, but no one has bought us.
Go everybody, loudly now. What? Vishal Gondal sitting here thinking of value creation, but deep inside he is counting money from the valuation. Meet me offline, come and see me in the lobby, 'cause buying and selling company is this man's bloody hobby.
दोपहर में
God in chief.
lunch खाया.
You know the man, the first time I got introduced to him, it said God in chief. And that's what he is. Great guy. Give him a big round of applause, everybody.
Where's my friend Dinesh Vazirani from Saffron Art? Dinesh, is he here?
Dinesh is not here, but chaliye, wo to hai na.
Art is my favorite topic anyway. So, and we heard something about art.
Yeah.
So, okay.
But we'll tell you what, let's go on finally to the EIRs.
But ek Dinesh pe bhi. I got.
Where are all the EIRs?
I got 2 lines on Dinesh also. Are you ready? I got 2 lines on Dinesh.
Dinesh,
Oh, you want to do EIR first?
No, please.
Your
Dinesh, then we'll end with EIR.
Okay, chalo. Ready? Let's go. अगर आप हैं आर्ट की दीवानी, प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट माय फ्रेंड दिनेश वाजीरानी. अगली 2 लाइन
यार मैं आ रहा हूँ. अगर आप हैं आर्ट की दीवानी, प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट माय फ्रेंड दिनेश वाजीरानी. You better go and sell it while everyone says it's art, because if it loses fancy, it won't be worth a. That's the problem nowadays, you know. You buy something, you sell something, it loses fancy. That's the end of it. But we're gonna end with the EIRs, because I must tell you, I spent time with them. They're a great fun bunch or whatever.
But they left us stranded at the airport last night.
Yes, so we're gonna end with that.
This one we prepared to end with.
Yeah, this is at the moment. Here we go. We love all the EIRs, but there's a girl called Rachna. Sister, हमसे तुम जरा सा बचना. Yesterday at the airport तुमने हमारी ऐसी लगाई. We were waiting 2 hours, लेकिन गाड़ी नहीं आई. गाड़ी नहीं आई. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. We just wanted to give you a good time. We just want to tell you, our dear friend Rajesh, really, I believe this is not just his passion project, this is where his heart and soul is. And I like to put a smile on his face every now and then, because I know how hard he stresses. And for the next 2 days, he's going to be stressed but passionate. And it's all because of all of these people, you know, the EIRs, Bridge, everybody who's worked so hard, the families, everybody. Really, I think it's a great thing that's happened, and it's a great thing that they built together. So please give them all a huge round of applause. Come on. Big round of applause, because they really do some great work.
And also, ladies and gentlemen, our dear friend Ankur from Ankur and the Galat family, who helped us with this. So big round of applause for him as well.
He put this together for us. He's one of the best independent musicians And if you're doing something great sometime in Bombay or otherwise, here the Galat family, they are the best there is. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you
a
very
good
much,
day.
ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Over to Rajesh again.
Rachna guide.